Today I'll tell you how can you gain 1 million coins by using daily Clipper code. The first step is click daily Clipper code, and it is what it is looks like. And today's daily Clipper code is alt. And when if you want to write a dot dash, you'll be able to click dot in dash. It is a, which is the other one is l. When we want to write l dot dash dot, it's l. The last one is t. If we want to write t only dash. And it's today's Hamster Kombat subscriber code. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, guys. Have a good time.